Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prioritizing safety and accuracy. Wear gloves and eye protection and work somewhere ventilated. Once you've exposed clean terminals, make sure to remove loose corrosion so readings aren't skewed. Grab a digital multimeter, set it to DC volts, and place probes on terminals. You want the open circuit voltage after at least 30 minutes rest, roughly 12. 6 volts indicates a full lead-acid leisure battery. If it's under 12, 2V. Proceed to the next checks. Next, verify how the battery performs under stress. You can use a handheld load tester or a 100A carbon pile. Apply the load for 10-15 seconds and watch voltage. Anything below about 9. 6V under load is failing. For flooded lead-acid batteries, test each cell with a hydrometer and note specific gravity. Consistent low cells mean reduced capacity. Make sure you compare results to the manufacturer's spec sheet, because the numbers tell you whether the battery is serviceable or needs charging or replacement. To finish, top the battery with a correct smart charger and let it reach full charge, then repeat resting voltage and load tests to confirm improvement. Record resting volts, load result, specific gravity per cell, and temperature for future comparison. Trends are more important than one-off numbers. If readings don't improve or voltage collapses quickly after load, suspect a parasitic draw, poor cell, or internal short. Try isolating circuits, retest. And if the issue persists, plan to replace the battery to avoid being stranded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.